Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about 5i analysis, 8D, A3 sheet, A4 sheet, DAR, 5W and kappa. What is 5i analysis and key points of 5i analysis, how to perform 5i analysis, benefits of 5i analysis and what is kappa and what is AD. These things are going to discuss about in details. What is 5i analysis? Actually 5i analysis is simple and effective tool for solving problem, means it is a problem solving tool. Its primary goal is to find exact reason that cause a given problem by asking the sequence of whys. The 5 why method help your team focus on finding the root cause of any problem. Means our aim is to find the root cause by 5 why analysis technique. Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Industries, is considered the father of 5 why analysis. One of the most useful tools for finding the root cause is asking why until the root cause is reached. Means their aim is to find out the root cause. What are the key points of 5 why analysis? First is verify fact from Gemba. Gemba means the real place and Gembetsu means the real things. Means go to the Gemba and see the real things, actual situations. Second is no assumption, no guesses. And third one is use paper or whiteboard instead of computers because that is a more effective method. And fourth one is write down the issues and make sure that all people are understand, means involvement of all people is necessary. Fifth one is try to make your answer more precise. And sixth is look for the cause step by step, don't jump the conclusions. And seventh one is assess the process, not people, means focus on process, not on people. Never consider root cause as a human error or workers inattentions. And ninth is ask why till the root cause is determined. Now next we have how to perform 5 why analysis. First is defect or problem. We look the diagram, first is defect or problem that should be mentioned in that block, and first why should be the first why put in y1, and y2 will be the answer of y1, and y3 will be answer of y2, and y4 will be the answer of y3, and y5 will be the answer of y4. Caution first is don't start 5 why analysis from y1 as a defect statement. And second one is last why is the root cause of that defect, that problem. And third is take countermeasure of root cause. What root cause are we are identified? We should take the countermeasure, means corrective actions. This is the example of occurrence cause analysis. First is ID oversize. First why is play in tool, and second why is run out in shop. And answer of second why is shop wearing worn out. Means first why is play in tool. Why play in tool? Because of the run out in shaft. And why run out in shaft? Answer is shaft bearing worn out. Why shaft bearing worn out? Because bearing seal damage. Why bearing seal damage? Because metal and cutting chips accumulated in bearing seal. Why metal cutting chips accumulated in bearing seal? Answer is no guard provided for metal chips. And what are the benefits of 5 why analysis? First is easy to teach, second is easy to use, third one is introduces people for problem solving method, means it is a problem solving method tool. Second example is occurrence cause analysis. We should focus on occurrence and direction both. Now example is only for occurrence cause analysis. The defect is hydraulic cylinder not working properly, and first why is the hole in the strainer get choked up. Why strainer hole get choked up? Answer is fluid was dirty. Why fluid was dirty? The dirt get inside the tanks. Why dirt get inside the tank? The lid have a hole in it and not fit properly, leaving gap around it. That answer is selection of lid was NG. This is the root cause. Third one is example 3. The vehicle will not start. This is the problem. Means occurrence cause analysis. First, why the battery is dead. Why the vehicle will not start? The battery is dead. Why battery is dead? The alternator is not functioning. Why alternator is not functioning? The alternator belt has broken. Why the alternator belt has broken? The alternator belt was well beyond its useful service life and not replaced. Means service life is expired. This answer is the vehicle was not maintained according to the recommended service scheduled. Means scheduled was not followed. This is the root cause. Now example 4, robot stop to work. The occurrence cause analysis is robot stop to work. First wise, the circuit has overloaded causing a fuse to blow. The answer of this why is there was insufficient lubrication on the bearing, so they locked up. Why they locked up? The oil pump on the robot is not circulating sufficient oil. Why not circulating sufficient oil? The answer is a pump intake is clogged with metal shavings. The answer is because there is no filter on the pump. This is the root cause. Fifth example is M6 nut missing part. The occurrence cause analysis is M6 nut miss in part. First wise, without operation part got mixed up at nut welding station. Why without operation part mix up? Without operation part kept with final part due to lack of training. Why without operation part kept with final parts? Untrained operator. Because of untrained operator. Why untrained operator means put it on that area? Inadequate training methods. Answer is inadequate training method. We should focus on take root actions on inadequate training system. The defect detection analysis, cause analysis is first one was the occurrence cause analysis and second is detection cause analysis. Means first one is how to make and second one is how to flow or go the customer. Defect is M6 nut missing part. First wise, without nut part not identified at building jig. The answer is Pokayoka to detect nut miss was not working. Why not working? Wire broken due to poor dressing. This is the root cause. We should take countermeasure on wire broken due to poor dressing. Example 6. An operator fell and was injured during the first shift startup. Occurrence cause analysis is first wise there was an oil spill on the floor in the machining department. Machining department there was oil spill. Spillage. Why oil spillage? A seal in machine number 3 deteriorated and began cracking and leaked oil. Answer is the seal material was not robust to the application. Why seal material is was not robust? Because of lower cost seal purchase from new supplier. Why lower cost seal purchase? Answer is seal material not specified in service manual. This is the root cause. We should take countermeasure in the root cause. What is CAPA? Means corrective action and preventive action. Actually, corrective action prevent recurrence, while preventive action prevent occurrence. Means corrective action is after defect generation and preventive action is before defect generation. Corrective action is carried out after a non-conformity has already occurred, whereas preventive action is planned with the goal of preventing a non-conformity in it entirely. Corrective action taken on root cause to prevent the recurrence is called corrective action. Until you identify the root cause and take action on it, it will not be a corrective action. For example, retraining employee on a proper procedure or updating process documentation is example of corrective action. Preventive action on the potential causes means all the potential causes to prevent occurrence is called preventive action. What is difference in corrective action and preventive action? Corrective action is actually implemented after an issue or non-conformance has occurred, while preventive action is implemented before any issue arises. Corrective action focus on addressing specific incident or deviations that have already taken place, whereas preventive action aim to anticipate it and prevent future problems. Corrective action is a reactive and responding to existing issues, while preventive action is proactive approach and aiming to prevent potential issue from occurring. Corrective action deals with individual incident, whereas preventive action addresses systematic risk and potential problem that may affect multiple areas. What is purpose of kappa means what is the aim of kappa, what is the purpose of kappa, why we are performing the kappa, to investigate the address systematic quality issues such as a component that repeatedly fails inspections during manufacturing. When kappa required any customer complaint, if we are getting any customer complaint, field failure, product non-conformity, in-house measure defect, internal adherencies, unstable trend in species. If any things is found, we should prepare kappa. Example of kappa is process and product redesign, trainings, improvement in process, error proofing, visual or audible alarms. Now we are discuss about 8 disciplines, means 8D. Actually 8D is 8 discipline, that is the engineering methodology to tackle the problems. 8D was developed in Ford Motor Company in mid 1980 to be used by their supplier to improve the resolution of their problems. The 8D refer to 8 essential and critical steps that are required to achieve this. First step is formation of problem solving tools, means problem solving teams, means the person who has knowledge of process and product that required for the team, means that required in that team, means team members should be knowledge of process and product. Second is problem descriptions, means how to describe the problem, that we should use the 5W and 2H approach, means what is the problem, where the problem, who knows problem, and where the problem, and when the problem. And another is how to solve the problem and how much quantity the problem has occurred. And third one is containment action, means containment action like what are the segregation details, what are the correction we have taken. And fourth one is root cause analysis, means how to get the root cause analysis, means like fishbone diagram to find out the suspected causes, and we take the suspected causes to validate them. If they are significant, we take the YY analysis to get the root cause, and we should take the corrective action on that root cause. And fifth one is potential corrective action. After the root cause identification, we should take the potential corrective action on that root cause. Sixth one is implement corrective action. Now we are implementing the corrective actions. And seventh one is take preventive action, means fifth one is potential corrective action. What are the corrective action we should take that root cause. And sixth is implementing that corrective action, means we should take that corrective action. And seventh one is take preventive measures. And eighth one is congratulate the teams, means we should what are the we team prepared that have product and process knowledge, that team we should congratulate. And this is the example of kappa, means corrective and preventive action report. इसमें D1 क्या है? D1 है, हमने एक क्या किया, टीम को फॉर्म किया है, ठीक है, जो जिस भी मेंबर को प्रोसेस एंड प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज हो, मीन्स द मेंबर who has knowledge of product and process, we have formed a team. Okay, second step means D2 is, what is D2? D2 we have described the problem, means 5W and 2H analysis. What is the problem, who affected, and where location, and when, means date, and why the problem is occur, and how much. This is the D3 means immediate containment action. What are the action? What are the containment action? Means what are the segregation detail that we have taken? What are the correction action we have taken? And this is the fourth step, means root cause analysis of occurrence. What are the root cause analysis of occurrence? We have performed the phase-bone diagram, that is measurement method, environment, man, material, and machines. This is the main cause, and these are the written in bracket, that are the possible causes, means primary cause, secondary cause, and tertiary causes. We should validate all these causes. If any gap found, we should take considered as a significant aspect, or that is valid cause we should take, and that valid cause or significant cause to YY analysis. If YY analysis, if what are the root cause, we get the root cause of that valid cause, we have find the root cause, and we should perform the corrective action on that root cause. This is the highlighted red is tool insert damage. We should validate actually one by one. This is the occurrence and escape point. This is root cause for occurrence. That was the occurrence root cause, and this is the root cause for deductions, and we should validate one by one. Okay, tool insert damage, we should identify as a tool insert should be okay, but is observed as damage. This is significant, other was the non-significant. In deduction, we have found the operator was not aware. This is the our significant cause, and none as non-significant, other as non-significant. We should do YY analysis of these significant causes. First one is tool insert damage. 5.1 tool insert damage in the cavity. Why tool insert damage? Due to the tool insert wear out. Why tool insert wear out? Due to the PM frequency inadequate, not adequate. Okay. Operator was not aware. Why operator was not aware? Because defect was observed first time. Why defect was observed first time? Because defect was not mentioned in defect matrix. Means operator does not know the defect about the defect. We should now go for step 5, means choose corrective action. Means choose the potential corrective actions, means take potential actions. What are the potential corrective action? These PM frequency need to revise in tool, and second, and Lockhart problem need to mention in quality alert or quality alarm awareness training events. And next step is implement corrective action. Now the frequency is revised from 1 lakh short to 50,000 shots, means it reduces frequency. Second, the monitoring sheet also revises, and third one is control plan and FMEA also revises. For detection, we have made the quality alert, quality alarm, and training also given, defect matrix sheet also prepared. Now we go for D7, means preventive of failures. What are the preventive action? Checkpoint. This checkpoint is also added in process monitoring check sheet to check mold conditions. And this D7 and D8 is congratulate the team. Okay. Now another format is DAR, defect analysis report. This is the same also. What are the defect, what are the immediate actions, and what are the defect analysis reports, means what are the report in fishbone diagram, like to find out the root causes, and man, machine, material, method, that is the main causes, and in blocks written the primary or secondary causes. We should validate one by one all these causes. If anyone found significant or valid, we should consider and take and for YY analysis, and means that suspected or that valid cause, that significant cause, we should perform YY analysis to find out the root cause, and on root cause we should take corrective measures. Now next sheet is A4 sheet. Actually this is the defect analysis and counter report sheet. What are the defect, what we should define that defect, mean 5W and 2H, and immediate actions, what are the corrective actions like segregation details, and what are the correction we have taken, that should be defined. Now next step is investigate the result. Okay, what are the before, what are the after, and conclusion of the result and analysis. Okay, now what are the actions, what are the reasons, means what are the management reasons, what are the countermeasure to prevent reoccurrence of that problem, that should be taken, and what are the implementation in system like control plan, FMEA, and WI, like OPS, that should be mentioned in the next step. Thank you so much.